Okay, for part 3, we determine whether each figure has rotational symmetry. If so, find the order and magnitude of each figure. So, if we're able to rotate it, how many times? So within 360 degrees, so going all the way around. This one would have no rotational symmetry. It would only repeat if it went 360 degrees, so there's no rotational symmetry. This one you'd be able to repeat it 3 times, so the order would be 3. Typically, like if you've got 3 points here and they're equal from the center, that's the time. And the magnitude, you actually find that by dividing 360 divided by the order. So 360 divided by 3 equals 120 degrees. So every 120 degrees it repeats. And this one would only repeat 2 times in 360 degrees because you'd be able to flip it right upside down. So the order would be 2. And the magnitude, which would be 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degrees. So every 180 degrees, it repeats. Now this one, their order is, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So every 5 points, it would repeat. So that's 5. And again, the magnitude is 360 divided by 5, so it will repeat every 72 degrees. And then this one is very similar to this one. It would have an order of 2 as well. And the magnitude would be 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degrees. This one would have no rotational symmetry. It wouldn't repeat itself until it got to the 360, so that means no rotational symmetry. This one right here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, so you'd be able to rotate it order of 4. And the magnitude, so we take 360 divided by 4, which is every 90 degrees it would repeat. Now this one, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's actually order of 6, and the magnitude would be 360 divided by 6, which would give you 60 degrees. So we repeat every 60 degrees. This one right here, it has an order of 2. It's very similar to this one and this one. It would repeat only at the 180 degrees, so the magnitude is actually 180 degrees as well, because 360 divided by 2. This one is the same as that one. It would have an order of 2 and a magnitude of 180 degrees. And then this one, order of, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like this points out more, so I could argue that it was order of 2, but they say in the answer that's order 4, magnitude of 90, but you could argue that it would be an order of 2 because I feel like those are out more, but you'd have to actually cut out the shape and rotate it to see, but I'm pretty sure these look out more. But the answers say order 4, magnitude 90, but if you did say but could be order of 2, magnitude 180. You could definitely argue that. I would say this would be more accurate for myself. And this is the order of infinite possibilities because it is a circle. That's the end of part 3.